Hello friends, myself Dr. Nandakumar Raubawale from College of Engineering Ambazogai is going to deal with numerical methods in mechanical engineering. This is our 11th lecture. In previous lecture we have discussed Gauss elimination method to solve algebraic equations. Today we are going to solve a problem numerical using Gauss elimination method. Let us consider one numerical which is given here as 3x1 minus 0.1x2 minus 0.2x3, which is equal to 7.85. Let us say this as equation number 1. Then equation number 2, which is given as 0.1x1 plus of 7x2 minus 0.3x3, which is equal to minus 19.3. This is equation number 2. And third equation given is 0.3x1 minus 0.2x2 plus 10x3, which is equal to 71.4. Say this is equation number 3. So it is given in this problem. Carry 6 significant figures during the computation. Carry 6 significant figures during the computations. Now, to simplify this set of equation, let us multiply equation number 1. So what is to be done here? So this first term x1 is to be eliminated. So first of all, what we do, multiplying equation number 1 by 0.1 and dividing this equation number 1 by 3, simultaneously we are going to multiply it by 0.1 and dividing it by 3. Then we will get one equation, and that equation, whatever say we call as equation number 4, has to be subtracted from equation number 2. So automatically this term x1 gets vanished. So now we see here solution. Multiplying equation 1 by 0.1 and dividing it by 3, that is 0.1 divided by 3. So 0.1, because we want to vanish this 0.1, so equation number 1 is multiplied by 0.1, and we want to remove this 3, so therefore we are dividing this equation number 1 by 3. So we get 0.1 divided by 3 into 3x1 minus 0.1 x2 minus 0.2 x3 is equal to 7.85. So after simplification, we get here as 0.1 into 3 divided by 3 x1 minus 0.1 into 0.1 divided by 3 x2 minus 0.2 into 0.1 divided by 3 x3, which is equal to 7.85 into 0.1 divided by 3. On simplification, we get this as 0.1 x1 minus 0.003333. So we are taking it up to 6 significant figures. x2 minus 0.006666 x3 is equal to 0.261666. We get this equation we call as equation number 4. Now subtracting equation number 4 from equation 2 so that this term x1 gets vanished. So we write here subtracting equation number 4 from equation number 2, we get, so first of all we write equation number 2 as 0.1 x1 plus of 7 x2 minus 0.3 x3 equal to minus 19.3. so this is equation number 2. From this equation number 2, equation number 4 has to be subtracted, so 0.1 x1 minus 0.003333 x2 minus 0.006666 x3 is equal to 0.261666. so this is equation number 4. So we want to subtract, therefore the signs of this have to be changed. Changing this sign is positive, so changing it to negative. So this sign negative, this is positive, we change it to positive. This is negative, we change it to positive. This is positive, we change it to negative. On simplification, if we subtract equation number 4 from equation number 2, we get here, this first term gets cancelled because this is positive and this is negative. Second term we get here as 7.003333 x2 minus, so this is negative, this is positive, negative sign is larger, so minus 0.29 3333 4 x3, which is equal to minus 19.3 561,666. So we get this as equation number 5. So now once again, so what we did from equation number 2, in place of equation number 2, now equation number 5 is replaced. So in this equation number 5, this term x1 is disappearing here. X1 term is not going to be there. So here this term x1 is missing now. Our aim was to reduce this x1 to 0. So we have reduced it to 0. Now coming to the next step. Once again, we want to reduce this term x1 term from this third equation to 0. So this we want to reduce it to 0. Once again, multiplying equation number 1. So what we are doing now, you can see here. Our aim is to reduce this to multiplying equation number 1. So this equation number 1, we want to bring it to this coefficient. So as the coefficient of equation number 1 is 3, we want to make it to 0.3. So multiplying equation number 1 by 0.3 and dividing it by 3, and then subtracting it from equation number 3, we can get equation number 6, which will not be having the term x1. So once again we write these equations and we will proceed. So 3x1 minus of 0.1, x2 minus 0.2, x3, which is equal to 7.85. and second equation is 0.1 x1 plus 7x2 minus 0.3 x3, which is equal to minus 19.3. So this was equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and equation number 3 is 0.3 x1 minus 0.2 x2 plus 10 x3, which is equal to 71.4. This is equation number 3. Now recently we have obtained equation number 5 also, which is important. So equation number 5 is 7.003333 x2. So we'll write equation number 7, that is 7.003333 x2 minus 0.2933 x3, which is equal to minus 19.561,666. So this is equation number 5, which we have obtained just now. Now again, to reduce this term 0.3 x1 from third equation, we are going to multiply first equation by 0.3 and dividing it by 3. So multiply this first equation by this coefficient 0.3 and divide first equation by its coefficient itself 3, so that this in place of 3 we are going to get 0.3. So multiplying equation 1 by 0.3 and dividing it by 3, we get, so we write here 0.3 divided by 3. First equation is 3x1 minus 0.1x2 minus 0.2x3, which is equal to 7.85. So on simplification, 0.3 into 3 divided by 3, x1 minus 0.1 into 0.3 divided by 3, x2 minus 0.2 into 0.3 divided by 3, x3, which is equal to 7.85 into 0.3 divided by 3. So on simplification, this 3 gets cancelled. We are going to get 0.3x1. So if we simplify, this is going to be 0.01x2. Then on simplification of this term, we get it as minus 0.02 x3, which is equal to 0.785. We call this as equation number 6. Now subtracting equation number 6 from 3. So already we have replaced this equation number 2 by equation number 5. So this equation number 3 is replaced by equation number 5. So this is in place of 2. Now we want to replace equation 3. So therefore subtracting equation 6 from equation 3, we get the equation 3 we write first, that is 0.3x1 minus 0.2x2 plus of 10x3, which is equal to 71.4. So this is equation number 3, and from that we want to subtract equation number 6. The equation number 6 is 0.3x1 minus 0.01x2 minus 0.02x3, which is equal to 0.785. This is equation number 6. So now we want to subtract, therefore this equation number 6 has to be multiplied by minus. So then, so this is positive, it becomes negative, this is negative, it becomes positive, this is negative, it becomes positive, this is positive, it becomes negative. So on simplification, we get this term cancelled, first term plus 0.3x1 minus 0.3x1. Then second term, we get minus 0.19x2 plus of 10.02 x3, and if you simplify these two, then we get this as 70.615. So we call this as equation number 7. So now we rewrite these equations here. The first equation we write as it is, 3x1 minus of 0.1x2 minus of 0.2x3, which is equal to 7.85. 85 equation number 1 remains as it is. So in place of equation number 2 we are going to replace it by equation number 5. So that is nothing but 7.003333 x2 minus 0.2933 x3, which is equal to minus 19.561 666, equation number 5. Now this equation number 3 is replaced by equation number 7. So 3 is replaced by equation number 7. So this equation number 7 comes here. Now equation number 7 is minus 19 point, sorry, equation number 7 is minus 0.19x2 plus of 10.02x3, which is equal to 70.615. So this is equation number 7. Now what we want to do here is, in first equation the term x1 is present, in second and third term the term x1 is absent here and here. So now from third equation we want to eliminate this x2 also. So we want to reduce it to the upper triangle. So lower triangle elements we want to reduce to 0. Therefore what we want to do is this 0.19 we want to reduce it to 0. Therefore this equation number 5 is multiplied by 0.19 and divided by 7.003333. Then this equation gets converted into some new equation, say equation number 8. That equation number 8 is subtracted from equation number 7. At that time this term x2 will vanish. So multiplying equation number 5 by minus 0.19 divided by 7.003333. So equation number 5 is multiplied by this term, we get equation number 5 and this term, so minus 0.19 divided by 7.003333 into equation number 5 is 7.003333 x2 minus 0.2933 x3, which is equal to minus 19.561 666. So on simplification we get this as, on simplification we get this as 0.19 divided by 7.003333 into 7.0033 00 33 33 x2 minus and minus becomes plus 0.19 into 0.29333 x3 divided by 7.003333, which is equal to minus minus again plus. This is going to be 0.19 into 19.561666 divided by 7.003333. On simplification, we get this as minus 0.19 x2. So this term gets cancelled. Plus of 0.007958 x3, which is equal to 0.530 706. We call this as equation number 8, say. Now subtracting this equation number 8 from equation 7, from equation number 7, we get, so first of all we write equation number 7 as minus 0.19 x2 plus of 10.02 x3 is equal to 70.615. This is equation number 7, from which we want to subtract equation number 8, that is minus 0.19 x2 plus of 0.007958 x3 is equal to 0.530706. So this is equation number 8. Now we want to subtract equation number 8 from equation number 7. So change this sign, which is minus, this becomes plus. This is plus, this becomes minus, and this becomes minus. So plus and minus 0.19 x2, 0.19 x2 gets cancelled. So here, after subtraction, this is going to be 10.0120 x3, and this is equal to 70.084294. So we get this as equation number 9. In this equation number 9 we have term x3, so this equation number 9 replaces equation number 7. So this equation number 9 moves in the place of equation number 7. Again, rewriting this. Now we will rewrite these equations. First we write first equation as it is, that is 3x1 minus of 0.1x2 minus of 0.2x3, which is equal to 7.85. This is equation number 1. Then we write equation number 5 as 7.003333x2 minus of 0.293333x3, which is equal to minus 19.561666. This is equation number 5. Equation 2 is replaced by equation 5, and equation 3, or equation which we call here as 7, equation number 7 is replaced by equation number 9, and equation number 9 is 10.01204 x3 is equal to 70.084294 is equation number 9. So this was the forward journey to reduce equation number 1 as it is, reduce the equation number 2 without x1, reducing equation number 3 without x1 and x2. So now we are going to move in the reverse direction, backward direction. So taking equation number 9, so from this equation number 9, so this term which is on constant, which is on left hand side, can be transferred on right hand side. Therefore x3 is equal to 70.084294 divided by 10.01204. So we get value of x3 as 7.000001. So this is value of x3. Then substituting this value of x3 in equation number 5, we can get x2. So substituting x3 in equation 5, we get equation number 5 is 7.003333 x2 minus 0.293333 x3 minus is equal to minus 19.561666. So this is equation number 5. Replacing this value of x3 here, 7.003333 x2 is minus of 0.293333 x3 value is known to us, 7.000001, which is equal to minus 19.561666. On simplification of this, we get x2 is equal to minus 2.499999. So this is how we are going to get x2 value here. Now substituting x2 and x3 in equation number 1, we get the equation number 1 is known, that is 3x1 minus 0.1 x2 minus 0.2 x3, which is equal to 7.85. This is equation number 1. So 3x1 as it is minus 0.1 as it is, value of x2 is minus 0.249999 minus of 0.2, value of x3 is 7.000001, which is equal to 7.85. On simplification of this, we get x1 is equal to 2.066666. This is value of x1. Now answer is, the value of x1 is 2.066666. Value of x2 is minus 2.499999, and value of x3 is 7.000001. So these values of x1, x2, x3, which are the values of unknown, have been calculated, and if we substitute these values in this original equation, first equation, second equation, and third equation, will satisfy these three equations. So therefore we call as this is the result of three simultaneous equations where we have obtained the values of three different unknowns using Gauss elimination method. So you can see here three equations which we have taken, and if you verify by substituting these values of x1, x2, and x3 in equation number 1, 2, 3, so in left hand side it will be equal to the right hand side. So this is how we are going to simplify algebraic equations to find out the values of unknown. Now in next class we will be looking at certain conditions, yield conditions, and how to avoid the yield conditions, and how to get the accurate answer, and how this algebraic equations are sensitive depending on the conditions or slopes, that we will be discussing in next class. Thank you.